Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about the new Kaito airdrop in partnership with Bybit official. Alright, so the whole thing is very simple and I'm going to be breaking it all down for you right here on this video. So do well to like and subscribe and watch the video till the end to understand what you need to do in order for you to be part of this airdrop. The airdrop is actually going to be rounding up within 1 month, so everything is very simple and straightforward. Like I said earlier, this airdrop is in partnership with Bybit crypto trading platform. All right, so the first thing you need to do to get started is you need a Kaito account. You don't need to be told again. So if you don't have a Kaito account, use the link right there on the video description box to create yourself a Kaito account. Remember to use VPN if the website doesn't open up at your own end. So let's now get started and dissect the whole information. So over here on the Kaito AI Twitter account, you can see they made the announcement here just a couple of hours ago, saying that they have partnered with Bybit official, and there are a lot of reward up for people right here. So a lot of us could be eligible for a lot of reward right here. So first of all, they actually brought out $1 million. All right, so they brought out $1 million, and this is actually for the people who are going to first register and deposit on Bybit crypto trading platform. So the whole thing is very simple, and of course also it is for the people who are going to be referring their friends or whoever they want to refer to the system to create a Bybit account and get to make some deposit right there, because they're going to be earning this deposit bonus right here. But what concerns us the most is the part which involves yapping. So they have actually set out another $100,000, and this is for yappers alone. All right, so if you are very good with yapping, or if you yap very well, then this is opportunity for you to seize. Just like they say right here, the yapping is going to be lasting for only 1 month, and after 1 month the whole thing is going to be over and users are going to be getting their reward. You understand me? So everything right now that you need to do is to yap. And right now, let me break it down for you. For you to yap properly, first you need to make a very good content around Bybit and Kaito AI, and when you yap correctly in that way, you are going to be ranking up on the leaderboard, and of course you are going to be among the people who are going to be sharing from this $100,000. And of course right here they actually set out steps that you need to follow for you to be eligible for this. But before we talk about the steps, they are actually trying to let us know that it is going to appear on the Kaito leaderboard in the coming days, and of course also the whole thing is going to be lasting for just 1 month, just like I said. So over here guys, they actually say that the reward is going to be based on high quality content that mention both Bybit or Bybit official and any of the following 3 topics. It mustn't be all of them, they said any of them. All right, so right now guys, you need to mention Bybit on your content. I'm going to be showing you how to create the content, and you need to mention X stock or CFD or TradeFi. All right, so right now guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a very good example, but let's now go ahead and accept other things. So right here they say that they have also set out reward for people who are going to be creating their first account on Bybit, and they actually capped it. All right, so they say that users who are going to be eligible for the $1 million part of the reward are going to be users who have 250 yaps on their Kaito AI yap dashboard. All right, or users who have 5,000 S Kaito. This S Kaito is staked Kaito. Users who staked up to 5,000 Kaito. All right, so they also users who are going to be eligible for this are users with at least 1 Yappy Barry NFT. So if you have either 250 Yap on your own dashboard, or if you staked up to 5,000 Kaito, or if you have this NFT, that is when you are going to be eligible for this 1 million part of the reward. That is how it is. So I'm breaking it down so that you understand it. So in case you weren't eligible for all this, you can just focus on the yapping and make your money and go away. All right, so also they actually made a lot of things to be known to us that you are going to be getting 10% of your deposit bonus right there on the Bybit. All right, so meaning that if you want to be sharing from this $1 million right here, you can only share from it when you use a when you use Kaito AI as your user, or as your code, that is your code while registering on the Bybit official. If you use Kaito AI as your code, that is when you are then going to be entitled to get 10% of whatever that you deposit right there on Bybit. So that is how it is. So if you deposit the minimum right there is $100. If you deposit maybe 100, you are going to be getting 10%. That's how it is. If you deposit 1,000, you are going to be getting 100. So that's just how it is. So also you need to take note of some things right here where they actually made it even more clearer. I will show you right now. So they made it clearer right here on this picture. You can just come over here and check out this picture to better understand. All right, but what you need to take note of right here is this, which they said right here. They said that Bybit confirmed that you must keep your deposit. That is the money you are gonna be once you, if you are participating on this campaign, that is the $1 million campaign through this, then the amount that you actually deposit must stay there until the campaign is over, before you are going to be eligible to receive the reward attached to it. And this could take up to 10 days before you complete it properly. This could take up to 10 days. All right, so over here guys, they say that for EU users, as there are no derivative, you will receive a spot coupon instead of trading fees. So that's just how it is. And also remember, by just inviting people to this campaign, you are going to be getting 33% of their whatever they are actually going to be funding their account with. So that's just how it is. So if you're a yapper, this is opportunity for you to get yourself some cool stuff. But one thing that interests me so much right here is that they didn't mention the number, that is from which leaderboard points that they are going to be rewarding from, meaning that whatever point that you got yapping this, you are certainly going to be getting rewarded for that. All right, so right now this is a very good one for you to yap about, so that you're going to be sharing from $100,000 in yapping reward. So this is all you need to know right now. So to be able to yap properly, remember they say that we must mention Bybit or Bybit official, then mention X stocks or CFD. All right, so I will just copy this right now. Okay, I'll just copy it so that it will be easy for me. So I will go ahead now and create a post. So I will click on this plus button right here. I will click on post. So right now I'm clicking on post. You can see you need to mention Kaito as well. But if you are starting the post from your own normal homepage, it is not going to be mentioned automatically. So I will write something like Kaito AI has partnered. Okay. I made a mistake right there. Has partnered with, then I will mention Bybit. Okay, Bybit official. This is, I will mention Bybit official to distribute. Bear with me. To distribute 100. Okay, $100,000 to. I can do something like this. To yappers. All right, so right now I will come down right here, then I need to mention the 3 things that they actually required us to mention. Okay, so this is it. I'll just maybe write something like I will mention this like this, I think. All right, no, I guess I'm doing it wrong. So I just need to mention this maybe like this, and like this. That is hash. That's what you're supposed to do right there. You need to put hash at the back so that you will attach them to your post. All right, so this is what you need to do right now. All right, so this is literally all you need to do. And after that guys, you can go ahead to maybe add any other thing that could make your post go viral. All right, so this is basically all you need to know. Then you go ahead and then make your post. You click on post like this, then that's just it. By just doing this regularly, you are gathering up yaps points, and your yapping point could take maybe 24 hours to reflect on your own Kaito dashboard. All right, so this is all you need to know right now about this new airdrop from Kaito in partnership with Bybit. All right, so this is all you need to know guys. So if any of the drops, I'm going to be letting you guys know, and do have a lovely day. I will talk to you guys on the next video.